Surfers rushed to help a dad and his two sons when the family's boat tipped over. This is on a sand trap in Ventura, California. So the man and his boys were tossed out of the boat when the dad lost control near shore.
The dad and one kid kind of came up kind of quick, and then the second kid didn't. So I pushed the boat down so like the side would come up, and he came out, and then I put him on my board.
The current was ripping so hard the boat, everyone was getting sucked out already.
So both of the boys thankfully were wearing life vests and will be okay. The patrol, though, says that the dad is being investigated for allegedly recklessly operating that boat.